happens if I get caught, Houdini?
Wrap it up.
Okay. There you go. I need to make a call. Let's see. Bring a phone. Where am I gonna find a phone? Okay, you know what? A pigeon gotta do what a pigeon gotta do. Oh, look, a free phone.
Tiptoes of the day feel sweet. Shadows
You're
taller
telling
than
me
I
it's all
feel.
gone red?
Goodbye. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Notice, the speech begins soon.
Holding
Okay,
this
let's
thought for
Circle the central
science.
square and practice respectful nodding.
Sprint. Pick a direction and sprint. Nothing on thermal. Clear.
For a slice of pizza. Really? Slice of pizza. Okay, what a bird gotta do what a bird's gotta do.
Heart keeps time for crosswalk. Heart's racing. Legs faster.
Surgeon's here! Fall back!
Okay, what was it? Am I supposed to pop all of the balloon?
Corners feel friendly.
Like one, like that. Okay. Cupid, no. Wait, I just need to go to this guy first. The rapper guy. You think I am a bird? No! I don't want to, bro! I don't want to! You know this is defacing public property? Sorry, I'm sorry, Eggs. I'm so sorry. I don't mean to do this. Okay, it's just my boss told me I had to do it or else. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna break any more eggs after this. I can't stand plants. Smash the plant pots. Where am I supposed to find plant pots? Oh no, you don't! No! going. You're done for, bucko. What are you doing?
Area quiet. Return to room.
You're free, bud. Be free.
Someone my shoulder's fine. Like,
Heck! How did I break that rule? There isn't even any rule for dropping a bottle on a lady.
work it here.
I slept. Hey, people. Hello. Don't tell no one, but I'm a secret. I'm a secret pigeon. I'm a secret talking pigeon. Okay? You can trust me. Alright? Name's
All set.
Pete the Bird. Nice to meet ya. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be joking. Hey, I'm sorry. Wait, no. I just wanted to have a best friend. As a bird, I can do nothing else in the city. I can
Eyes
build
open, but we're done here.
homes in this strange
going.
world. It's like pigeons were not made for here. Not made for here. Pigeons, pigeons were not made for here. Pigeons, oh, and pigeons are made for here. But we are made for heat. I'm sorry, but we are not. As a pigeon, not made for here. As the police says in this city. Okay, let's see. One more to go.
Eyes open, but we're done here.
Do a word
Stride set to
man
dramatic
for
exit.
here. Hello, Gumaya. Hola, hola, oh, hola. Coca-Cola. Like a bird. Bottles annoy me, especially glass ones. Break the bottles. Okay, why do we have to break the bottles? What do the bottles do? Let's see. Break one. Oh my gosh. Break one.
Sorry, the
Break.
bus just said.
So break.
Okay, deep breath. Start.
One bottle. Break
Fear
another.
and bad decisions.
Another bottle. You know how this works? Yeah, I guess that's how it works. What? You want me to destroy them? Pretty sure that's me. Alright, break it.
Directive. Report to the main square for the mayor's address. Bring your best listening face.
Okay, let's do this. Turn ups, turn ups, turn ups. Alright, say like that. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Target slipped. Hold position.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days. And the mama say, dang! I need to just get more money, of course. Okay, time to go. Jeez, ew. Primitives.
Overhead.
Clip those wings. Do not budge.
Button. Yeah.
Target slipped. Hold positions.
Okay.
Mark it down.
It's a payphone. Put this on my head. Yeah. Huzzah! Ba ba na na na. Ba ba na 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 na.
You're sounding mind-wandering.
Stay with me, though.
Works for me.
Oh, a bird needs rest. Whew. After doing all of that. Whoa. Yeah.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remain. Relocate to the main square immediately. Dramatic size allowed.
Dun 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 dun.
Update. You are officially late. Move to the central square now. We'll pretend you were here the whole time.
Stay snapped.
Everyone should dance! 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 Dance, dance, dance! In the road. Ah. I'll do something dramatic if I have to. But
He folded like a log. Standing. To eat this throat. Beak dog.
oh, that was a long day. My daily nose.
Nothing else done. Clear.
Oh no, bro, I gotta get more money. Better call Birdman. Ah! Yes, we can. No. Birds. Only friends. Guns and arms. Let's see. This a trip mine. Okay. I want it to be really. Okay. Alright. It's okay. It's okay. You know what to do, right?
Directive. Report to the main square for the mayor's address. Bring your best listening face.
You'll be fine. Okay. Oh look. What's tonight? Yes.
Turn left for no reason. Hold my coffee while I...
Compliance requested.
Sounds
30
fine.
seconds.
Okay, hide and seek champion, you win.
I'm tough. Bring shiny object. Like what's shiny up? Like what's shiny up?
Why, it's not bad at all. Trees whispering gossip. These feet have a union. They voted
Rest time.
Mm-hmm.
Right set to This is fine.
Notice. This speech begins soon. Assemble in the central square and practice respectful nodding.
Shiny objects?
Light block.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool. Everything is awesome.
Cabs are
Relocate
fine.
to the main square immediately.
But
Dramatic size allowed.
when you farm a team,
cross on the next green. Cycle boss fight, one rose pebble.
That's just...
Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square and move closer.
We choose.
Turn it off.
Protect pets, protect pockets, protect peace. Households safer, budgets steadier, evenings quieter. If it poops on policy, it's getting revised.
oh no! I didn't mean to do that.
Heads
I think I'm on high alert. Made long. Okay. No. It's time.
Directive T-30. Proceed to the central square. Excuses will be accepted in triplicate later. Immediate directive. The speech has begun. Assemble at the central square without delay. Yes, you too.
Me?
Confidence we're heels.
I'm finally invited. Okay, let's see. Where is it? It's over there. It's over. Right.
By vibes in questionable coffee.
The sidewalk cafe smells dangerous.
You
Boys
go.
down, mess out, neighborhoods up with humane relocation and targeted maintenance schedules. Putting the no in avian shenaniganomics. The arc of our city bends toward order when we do the work. Gravity 1, 4, 0,
0 Syrium. Da-da. I need this, please. Yeah. It's time for a little slicer and Dyson.
Window reflection.
Sidewalk cafe smells
Ballistic.
rush. Box feels short.
Sneakers.
Yeah.
Try dodging.
My prize.
Let's go. Now be quiet. Okay? Listen. You have to agree with me. Birds are allowed in this city. Okay? Agree.
Perimeter holds. Cancel chase.
Shade now. Body, run. Soul, already left.
vanished like my paycheck.
Okay. What we yeah. Okay. No, we can forever find. You know what? Okay, just do that. Alright. Is that good? Okay. That's good. No! Why would you jump? I already told you not to jump! Okay? I'm gonna put you on a higher. Like, just like right here. Oh. Oh, dang. You see, it's all okay. All I just need to do.
He folded like a lawn chair.
Yeah, get up here, quick. Hey, lady, come on. Come on. Listen, everything's gonna be alright.
Trail's cold. Wrap it up.
You know what?
Bird said new paint job. Rude. That bird's got beef.
Get me out of here, please. Yeah. Okay, are you ready? Ugh! I'm just gonna. Okay. I guess not. Ugh.
Heads up. Mayoral words incoming. Proceed to the